clean. There's plenty of bins, bins for dog waste, and yeah, it's quite clean. The last time I come here, it's changed a lot. Yeah.
It's clean. Yeah, they do try, don't they?
It's not fair on other people, so I think everybody should do that, because that's how they like to find their own house, their own garden, their own street. And they should treat everywhere else the same. So it's not bad, really. There's still some around, but I've seen worse. It's not enough to worry me.
I think for the people getting a fine,
Mum, what are you doing?
they think twice about dropping litter down. And lots of people who's got kids, and they drop litter, they pick it up. But if you're going to get done £75, you know, if you got £75 to spare, it's all right. But at the end of the day, the more people get charged £75, the more the word spreads.
It is a bit better, but it's not all that much better. People are still going around throwing the McDonald's wrappers all over the floor.
Don't drop it, bin it, you know. Respect the town that you're in. You know, you're on holiday, so respect your seaside holiday, and respect your home as you would respect it here. You won't throw litter in your living room, you know.
And the littering has decreased. It's not as much as it used to be, but it's still not 100% clean.
I do actually think the high street has got better, and I also think some parts along the front as well has got better. I think because there's a lot of these reinforcement officers about, you know. I know they can't be in every place all at once, but I think there should be some in other places apart from the town centre and along the front. I really do.
Quite clean in everywhere I've been up to now. Yeah.
They're building loads of different places, so it's quite good that they're cleaning it all.
I think, you know, we all need to do our bit, don't we, to keep towns and countryside tidy.